Hello everyone. Let's discuss comparison operators. These operators they are very useful while you are writing your conditions. Comparison operators they are used to compare the values and these operators are applied in where clause to filter the records. Let's discuss different notations for comparing our values. This notation describes equal to sign and one of the example is salary equals to 60,000. So if you want to write the condition and you want to extract the record, then you will write where salary equals to 60,000. Another operator is not equal to, and alternative notation is this one. So if you want to find the records whose salary is not equal to 60,000, then this way you will write the condition. If you want to use the greater than symbol and you want to calculate the salary greater than 80,000, so this is the notation you will use. Less than operator. So this is the notation for less than, and if you want to find the salary less than 75,000, so this is the example. This one is greater than equal to notation, and if you want to find the salary greater than equal to 80,000, then this is how you write. And less than equal to notation, if you want to find the salary less than 75,000, then this is how you write. Now let's try to use one of the example, maybe this one on table. This is our table and we have different columns: ID, names, department ID, and salary. And here we are going to select all columns of employees table of this table where ID equals to 1. So we have to select the record whose ID equals to 1. We are going to select this record. Let's see the result table. You will get only one record because you have only one record whose ID equals to 1. And similarly, now you can apply different operators to get the subset of your data.